everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with a tag swap that Sabrina _ crafty _ journey and Miss Kat's crafting do. And how it works is one person does the base of the tag, sends it off to some, say I'll use for example, I started the base, I sent it to Kathy, she added to it, Sabrina finishes it, and then she sends it back to her. She picks the one she keeps, because we do 3, and then she sends 2, one to me and one to Kathy. I hope that makes sense. I can explain it in a better way. So, this one started with Tina's Messy Crafty Life tag base layer, and then it went to Mrs.Kat, and then it went to Sabrina. So, the background I did. You can see the mixed media background. And then second layer decoration, 3-layer finished with delusion. Okay, so, and I don't know exactly what Miss Kat did, but I think she added these little decorations. I'm not positive. It's hard to tell sometimes when you get the tag back, but I know this is a delusion. Yep. So that's how it finished. And now Miss Kat started this one. She did the base, which was just a glitter paper base. And then Sabrina did the second one, layer ribbon, doily, and button. And I added stickers, flower doily, diamond pearls, and bling flowers. And so here's what my 3 look like. So this is mine. And I finished it up. So Miss Kat sent this pretty, I guess it's a pink purple tone paper for the start of the tag. Sabrina added the buttons, the doilies, the little pink glitter, all this here. I added the stickers here, this flower, and this one. This is what I call flower bling, doily, pearl, and bling. And then, of course, Sabrina added these cute little buttons and this lace. I added this rose sticker. They don't have to match either. So I got the rose sticker, the bling flower, this pearl bling, the doily with a pearl. And then this one, I love her. Now, out of the 3, because now they're finished, I get to pick one. I haven't decided which one I'm going to keep yet. But then say I pick this one. So then one goes to Sabrina, one goes to Miss Kat. But right now I haven't picked any. I haven't decided yet. So, then I start it. So here is the start of the next tag. I have this one and this one. So, they go to Sabrina. Sabrina will decorate it however she chooses, and then she will send it to Miss Kat. Miss Kat adds hers to it. She sends one to me. She sends one to Sabrina, and then so forth. So, because Sabrina will send a base to Miss Kat too, I believe. Yeah. So, and then so forth. It gets confusing, but usually it works out good. So, them are the tags. And we've been doing this for a few months. I am the only one that is short one tag because my package got stolen. But this started out back in April when I had my surgery. So we have this one, that one, this, and this one. And now I'll add this one to it. And Sabrina did this cool book, except the tags that we're using are too big. So whatever one I keep, and I haven't decided, I like the swan, so I'll probably keep the swan. And I might be able to fit that in the pocket. So I'll just fix it. So I'll put that there. So I'll keep the swan. And then I'll put one in Miss Kat's and one in Miss Sabrina's. And I'll get it. Or I might not keep this one. I haven't decided yet. Like I said, I haven't made up my mind. So, but either way, one will go to each lady. So, that is how we do the tags. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.